Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your sleep routine with Tempur-Pedic step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current sleep environment. Identify factors that may be disrupting your sleep, such as noise or light. Choose a mattress that suits your preferred sleeping position. Tempur-Pedic mattresses are designed to provide support and comfort tailored to your body. Once you have your mattress, set a consistent bedtime and wake-up time. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine that signals your body it's time to wind down. Consider activities such as reading, stretching, or meditating in the hour before bed. Limit screen time, as blue light can interfere with your sleep cycle. If you use technology, enable blue light filters or wear blue light blocking glasses. Make your bedroom a sanctuary for sleep. Keep the room dark, cool, and quiet. Consider blackout curtains, eye masks, or white noise machines if necessary. Evaluate your bedding and pillows for comfort and support. Tempur-Pedic offers pillows that can complement their mattresses for optimal neck support. Practice good sleep hygiene by avoiding large meals, caffeine, and alcohol before bedtime. Take note of your sleep patterns using a sleep journal. This can help you identify trends and experiment with different sleep positions to find what feels best for you. If you wake up in the middle of the night, avoid checking your phone or clock. Return to a relaxing activity until you feel sleepy again. Keep your bedroom designated for sleep and intimacy only. This will help reinforce your brain's connection between your bedroom and sleep. By following these steps, you'll create an optimal sleep routine with Tempur-Pedic. Prioritize your sleep, and your overall well-being will benefit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.